What's going on, all my 300 people on the channel? This upload's for you. I told you when I sold my 300 that we would have another one on the channel someday. Alright? The day has come. If you look right in that garage bay right there, we have a new 300 for the channel for a little while, okay? It is a flip, so it's not going to be here forever, but it is our next rebuild project for the channel, and it's way better than my 300 ever was. So it's a lot newer, a lot nicer, maybe not faster, maybe faster actually, I don't know. But was doing a Copart, little bit of a walk around, came across this 300, ended up, we won it for a few $1,000s. Right now, I have the footage from the Copart yard when we first saw it. This was before it was ever purchased. So check out this 2016, I believe, 300. I need another 300 on the channel. I've told everybody that we might be getting one. I don't know. This would be pretty cool. It's black. Unfortunately, it's a V6, but it's a pretty solid one. Beats. It's got nav, everything like that. It's all-wheel drive. Pretty nice. Now this would just be one to probably, you know, rebuild and sell, but at least it'd be something back on the channel for everybody. Dash sucks. And underneath here, I popped it before. Looks pretty nice. There's the awesome little 3.6. Radiator support, AC condenser, radiator, airbox, bumper cover, headlight, fender and hood. I think that'll pretty much do it. Yeah, this guy's a good option. I like it. So there you saw that obviously the 300 needs a little bit of work. Nothing too crazy. We did discover one major problem, which is why this is not sitting out in the sun where I could actually video it nicely right now because, well, it's got an issue. But we're thinking it's not going to be too bad. So we're going to do a full walk around right now. So the details are 2016 Chrysler 300S. It is only the 3.6 liter, but you know, with the newer transmission, it's probably still faster than my old 300C with the Hemi. I've heard that these guys move pretty good. Front end definitely needs some attention. Frame rails nice and straight. Airbox destroyed. Radiator, condenser. Obviously bumper cover. Hood's gonna need some work as well here. As you can see, we got a windshield that needs done, fender, headlight. That's about it up here. Unfortunately, the dash is popped. The airbags for the dash are popped. So we'll have to put a whole new dash in here. If you know more about how to do the dash on here or how long it takes, or if we can just replace this pad. If any of my 300 fans in here know if you can just replace the pad rather than like the whole dash assembly, let me know. I have not researched it whatsoever yet, but we need to do that. As well as if you know the best place to buy any of this stuff for cheap, let me know that too. We are looking actually at another 300 with high miles that might be the donor car for this one. But as you can see, 17,000 miles on it. Seats, everything are like new. Everything nice. Dash, we got nav. Stupid shifter down there, but it smells like new inside because it basically is new inside. Back seat doesn't look like it's ever been sat in. We do have one really weird thing here. I don't know what it is. I don't know if this is just a magnet. If it is, it doesn't want to come off. But something was right there, and I have no idea what it was. The other thing is the tail lights stay on for a crazy long time. Like, we were working on it last night, and they were on the entire time. So I'm not sure what the deal with that is, but it seems like they're staying on longer than they should, but maybe it's just in the settings somewhere. But otherwise, other than the front end, damage is very good. For the rest of the car, it's pretty much brand new other than that stupid thing on the trunk. The reason we can't drive it right now, though, is if we pop down under here and look, let's see, I don't know if you can see it right there or not. You'll see the jack is holding up the tail end of the transmission. It's doing that because, I don't know if you can see real well, I can throw in a picture right now, but the mount is completely split in half. It's causing the drive shaft, everything else to bind up, and makes the car just about unmovable. We did get it in the garage, but it doesn't roll, move well, or anything. It really is a nightmare for right now, but that's an easily fixed part. We'll just gotta put a new mount in, and then hopefully everything else is pretty good. So that's it, guys. I told you 300 guys to stick with me, that we were gonna have one again, and here we are, we got one. Yes, it's not gonna be one that's gonna be on the channel forever. We're gonna try to get it done as quick as possible. Probably gonna go a little more in depth on the rebuild on it, since, well, my channel was built by 300 content. So gonna try to get as many of those uploads out there for you guys as possible. If you have any tips on rebuilding these, I have not rebuilt one before, and I've not done anything with this generation of 300, so I'm a little bit new to it. So if you have any tips or tricks or websites or best places to buy stuff, definitely let me know. That'll be super, super great. We're going to start ordering parts here pretty soon. Going to get this thing back on the road as quick as possible. Definitely get it out for a drive as soon as possible. As soon as we get that mount done, hopefully there's no bushings or any of that stuff that's all destroyed underneath there, but it doesn't appear like it right now in the 10 minutes I took to look at it when it was up on the jack stands there. So we'll get it out, we'll get some good pictures, and maybe even do a little bit more around the outside so you can actually see it. I know it's tight in there. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day.